They come down again when it chooses who it wants to kill next. It doesn't take requests. It kills who it wants when it feels like it. And it doesn't owe you an explanation. It's true what it says on the box. It's just like life.
Son, perhaps it's best if...
Shut up! Hey, Mom! Mom, wake up! Mom? Mom, that's a funny joke. Mom! Wake up. Okay, you can keep talking.
You know, your Aunt Ida and your Uncle Chip never wanted kids. No. Always just kind of preferred a life where you sit down and you don't stand up again until you want to. Also, we're swingers, but oh well. I want you to know we're going to do our very best with you boys. It's just that our very best might be pretty bad.
The fuck?
I put the pieces in a garbage bag and made sure it got on the garbage truck, and I assumed that would be the end of it. But after that, Bill and I were never the same. I mean, we looked the same because we were twins, and, well, you know what I mean. Aunt Ida and Uncle Chip picked up Bill and me and moved us to Maine. And I guess I hoped